going on, YouTube? We're gonna put this Y pipe on, or at least try to get it on. Here it is. Let me get this out first. Got my GoPro in the house. I had to charge it though. Good morning to start on this. It ain't 65. Thanks for hard. Got the Chrome Shop Mafia box. Yeah. Should be good right there, but we gotta take this clamp off. There's a clamp over there. That's 2 bolts. I need these 2. Hopefully she'll come off, but as you can see, it's busted right here. Yeah. So hopefully we get this one. Should be a lot quieter. I'd like to get rid of all this flex pipe and just put a pipe on this bumper. It'd have to be better. But we're gonna work with what we got for right now. So let's go get the white pipe. Try to get this over here. Here's the new white pipe. I think I just hit everything coming out of the building with it. But here is the new white pipe. It's 5-inch. Should be the factory size. And we'll get it all buttoned up, fired up, see how she sounds. Let's get to it. Try to figure out a way I can get this in here. Maybe you all can see. I don't know. That's why I wish I had my GoPro. I could have strapped it on my head. We could have rode with it, you know what I mean? Really? How am I gonna do this? Let me get that clamp. So let's do this. I'd like to be able to get that on there. The other side. Oh, no. That might work, guys. Let's try that right now. Get this broke loose. Yeah, I got the rust effect. 3D rust. Okay, we got one of them broke loose. I should have got a new white brush. I'll take you guys with me. I'll take you guys with me. You know, it's a YouTube. I'll show you everything. You know. Alright. We want to get some bigger tools to start out with. And we're gonna get some organized, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's what we were looking for right there. Oh yeah, there's TRX. I need a seat for it. She runs healthy and strong. I did see some of this upside down WD-40. Dad's coming too. He's going to go get some food. Get some grub. He'll be up. Hopefully we can have this out time he gets up here. Alrighty. See, if I would have focused, I would have done this on that other boat. After that comes out a little better, probably. Minor. Sorry if I ain't getting the right angle, but I'm holding my phone in one hand. I should have charged my GoPro, guys. And I could have got some good, better views. All right, let's see. How was I gonna use this? Well, a little update since I can't film and do all that at the same time right now. I will get the GoPro charged and put it on my head. That way I can film and do what I'm doing, so you guys can watch. I know some people, I know people love watching stuff like that. Shoot, these gravel's rough on you. But a little update, we got it off. Didn't take long, but as you can tell, up there, the flex pipe is just so old. When I took it loose from down here and then tried to wiggle it out, it just all broke from up there. So we might have a problem today about getting it fixed. Then again, we might be able to find some pipe. I don't want to put flex pipe back on it, but I mean, just for right now to move it and take it to the shop or place that we're gonna get the rear ends swapped out, we may end up just putting the flex pipe back on it for right now. But yeah, that sucks. So we probably run to a store. Can't talk. Get that flex pipe. Here is what comes out of it. I mean, it's old. That broke the other day. I was trying to get the exhaust off. Here's the Y pipe. And they get that big chrome elbow out. It's just broke there too. That's what we got so far. Well, we finally got the exhaust on. Had her in the Martins down in Pikeville, Kentucky. I'll show you why we had to do that. I was taking it apart earlier and it all just broke loose. I just threw it over here for right now, like it's busted up bad. Wish I could have filmed it. Dad just left, but I had my GoPro on charge and I got the head mount, so next time we work on it, I'll wear that. But I'm gonna show you the finished product of what we got so far. We did end up getting the flex pipe. Had to run it back. There's the Y pipe in here now. New elbow. Shiny elbow. And we'll fire it up. It does have a little issue sometimes about starting, but we got another solenoid for it. I said that right. I stole Dad's ink pen. Oops. Let's see. Definitely need to start wearing a GoPro. Right now you gotta, well, it ain't every time. You gotta cross it over on the solenoid. It won't start by the button sometimes. But we got that part too. This is what I'm talking about. We laid it in here so I can show you. This, I think, we hope once we put this on, it should start up. If not, it may be in the starter. I'm not sure, but we're gonna try that. It started twice a while ago as soon as we got it done, so it's a little camera shy, I guess. I went to start it and it won't do it now. But yeah. Definitely a lot quieter now. We're just waiting on a guy right now. We got these out, a few bolts out. We're going to put it to Rockwell 52s on it. Right now it's got 402s on the air leaf. And we're going to try to haul coal if everything goes good. Still got a little ways to go, but that string. You gotta fix that too. Got it to work. See if it'll start by the button. I'll show you what I'm talking about. See? And it won't start every time by that. It's just something little. Like I said, we're hoping that fixes it. But that's all I got to show for right now. Maybe. We're just waiting on that one dude. We gotta drill the frame to put those Rockwell 52s in. It's on Hendrickson. Yeah. Hey, well, like and subscribe. Try to get some more content going in, and hopefully we get this baby going and we can film hauling coal.